How to set up PayPal business account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily set up a business account in PayPal application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to open the official website of PayPal in any one of the web browser or simply open the application in your device if you have it. After that, in the sign up page, you will see the steps that you need to follow to set up a business account on PayPal. Simply, to follow the step, click on the first step, that is to confirm your email. Once you click on it and enter your email, you need to choose the option of yes, this is my email address in the next page. After that, the next step is to provide your bank account details. So provide your account number, again retype it, and then do you need your bank IFSC code? If you need it, click on yes. If not, click on no. After that, once you have provided all your detail, click on next. And now, as you can see, your account has been set up. So that's it. That is how easily you can set up a business account on PayPal application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.